Hello and welcome to Security. So I know I haven't posted anything in a long while. That's because I actually got a new job, cybersecurity job, and yeah, basically, so settling into the new job and just yeah, learning about the processes and everything has just been really time consuming. But now I'm getting back to posting, basically posting videos, and from now I'm going to try to periodically post videos at least twice a week. And another thing is I'll probably post a video just talking about my own experience with regards to getting a job and basically some tips, share some tips as well that help me for anyone out there that's maybe looking for to get a cybersecurity job as well. So yeah, so if that's something that interests you, you can like my video or subscribe to the channel to follow along and also turn on notifications if you're for when I'm gonna post that video giving the tips. So yeah, I'll just go straight into the video today. It's gonna be a short one, basically just explaining what I'm gonna do in the next video. So I recently posted a video about the Tryhackme Mitre room, which is under this Tryhackme Cyber Defense Pathway for learning, and this process prepares you for the career as a security analyst. So I have basically gone through this path. I'm about 72% completed right now, and I'm gonna complete it. But what I decided to do basically is start from the top and basically post videos of each step along the way for anyone that needs help completing any of the tasks in any of the rooms. And basically I'm just going to go that way until I get basically take it step by step to the end and post videos of the walkthroughs for anyone that needs them. So this is something that's actually interesting and exciting for me to do. And yeah, if you want to follow along, again, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Oh, before I go there, yeah, so basically, this is I'm going to start with the introduction. This is the tutorial. You can look at the tutorial. This just shows you how to start a machine in Tryhackme, I believe. Just wait for it to load up. Yeah, so all you have to do here is start the machine and get the flag from inside. So probably going to let me see if I can quickly just do this in this video because it shouldn't take any time. So basically you start the machine, you wait for it to show up or to boot up. I'm just gonna pause the video and wait for it to boot up. Okay, so now that the machine has booted up, um you have the IP address. There's two ways you can access the machine. You can either use the attack box that's given to you by Tryhackme, or you can use the OpenVPN to tunnel into the Tryhackme environment, and you can access the machine directly from your computer, either through the command line or the command prompt or the terminal or your browser. So for this, because I don't want to take time with this video, I'm just going to start the attack box and basically complete the task. It's a very straightforward task actually. So also give the attack box a couple of seconds to start up. Okay, so basically now we are into the attack box. All you have to do is I'm sure everyone can do this. Basically, I shouldn't have shown this. So all you have to do is basically open up your browser and type in this IP address, and you get the flag. Copy the flag, you paste it in here, and enter. That's all. So that's just I can now terminate this machine because I don't need it anymore. Also, let me close the attack box. Yeah, I can also close the attack box. And yeah, so we're done with this run. So if I go back to the learning part, which is cyber defense learning part, next step is going to be the introduction networking. I'll probably just take a couple of all these rooms together in single videos, because they shouldn't take so long. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.